Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Leetcode number 3499, maximize active section with trade 1. Okay. In this media mark problem, we have been provided with a string, and in that string there is only two characters 1 and 0, right? In that 1 represent active section, okay, and 0 represent inactive section. So in this whole string you have to maximize the active section, that means number of ones, and you have to return the count of ones. Okay, so here to convert that 0 to 1, what we can do, we are provided with only one trading chance. In that trading, what we have to do, we can convert a continuous series of ones. Remember, continuous series of ones. If there are many ones, let's say example like 1 1 1, then 0 0 0, here it is also 0 0, then 1 1, then 0 0 0. So continuous ones, that means you can either convert these three into 0 or these two into 0. Okay, so you have only one chance, that means only one bundle, the whole bundle of one you can convert to 0. Okay, and then the group of zeros will be converted into the ones. Okay, so in that way you have to find which bundle would you choose of ones that get converted to 0, and then the whole zeros in series converted to 1, and then finally you will return the number of ones of the whole string. Okay, for example, let's say in this string only, what I can do, I have been provided only one chance, right? Suppose if I choose to convert these three ones into the zeros, then what will be the string then? Let's say then 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0, right? So this will be the resulting string if I choose this one. Okay, now what I can do, I can then convert this whole string, this whole, because there is one, so that's why we cannot convert these zeros into the ones, right? So that's why I cannot convert this all three zeros, because there is one, right? So now these all series, continuous series of 0 will be converted into the 1. So the final string will be 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. So the number of zeros will be, resulting number of ones or active section will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, what if I choose to convert these two into the 0, then what will be the answer? Let's check it out. Then first step, converting this 2 into the 0. So 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now these all will converted into the uh, into the ones. Then what I will get, 1 sorry, then it will be 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this is 11. So the maximum active section in this two part will be 11. So the answer was B would be 11, with converting these two ones into the 0. Okay, so also there is also a condition to convert this. You can convert a bundle of ones, only those bundle of ones where the whole bundle is surrounded by 0. Let's say this 3 is surrounded by 0, right? So yes, this you can convert it, and this 2, it is also surrounded by 0. So yes, of course you can also convert this. Okay, let's say if the string is like this, 1 0, or let's say 0 1, because there is a one test case, right? You cannot convert this. There is a remark in the question is such a way that you can assume that your whole string is surrounded by 1 and 1. That means, let's say if the test case is like if the string is like this, then you can suppose or you can imagine the complete string is like this. Okay, these two were added, right? Already added, but the length will be counted of this string only, not these two. These two ones will not be counted in the answer. So if the test case is like this, so since 1 is not surrounded by the 0, because it will be like this, right? So this one is not surrounded by 0, so you cannot convert it. Okay, so the condition is only say the same. Okay, the one must be surrounded, the bundle of 1 must be surrounded by both sides of with zeros. Okay. Hope you get the question. Still, if you have any doubt after this, if you read the question again, you will definitely get cleared. Okay. I will say try out the question in the first go. Just try out, think about it. I was in my first attempt, I was thinking of, after reading the question, I got think of, right, we have to somehow um, store the index of zeros, right? Ki the starting of the zeros is at starting as of the zero is at 0th index, then 0 1 2 3 4 5th index, then let's say 5th index and 0th index, so storing at somehow place, then what to do next. Likewise, think of it, then you will confirmly reach out the answer. If in between, if you fail sometimes, just try to read over the editorial section. Okay, that will help you. Okay, believe me, that will help you. Okay, so let's try to solve this question, and let's build the understanding how to tackle this question. So as you can see in this question, let's take this one test case. Okay, if I do this again, so what I can see, 1 triple 0 1 double 0, right? So which one I can convert? I can first of all assume like this string is like this way, right? There is one, then this is the actual string. Okay, now which one I can convert? Either this one or this one, but this one cannot be converted because it is not surrounded by 0 both sides, right? But I can convert this one, right? Okay, I can convert this one. Also the answer will not count this and this. Okay, so this will answer will be counted of this string only. So what is the number of ones in starting only? It's 2, right? All right, then plus we have to count number of active session, right? And 1 represents active session, so initially it is 2. Now what I will do, I will then convert this 0 into the 1 into the 0. Okay, because I have only one channel and this can be converted. Okay, now I will convert it. 0 0 0 0 0 0, then 1 is converted to 0, then 0 0. So what will be it? Then become 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will be 6, right? So the answer will be 6 plus initial was 2, initial count of 1 was 2, minus this one string which I additionally counted in this. Initially it was counted in the answer here also, and now it was taken again in this answer, right? So one time. So the answer is 6 minus 2 4, 6 plus 2 8, minus 2 8 minus 1 7. So answer is 7. Okay, let me give you a general idea. Okay, 1 triple 0 1 1 triple double 0. Okay, let's say Okay, let's say the length of this is A, the length of this is B, and the length of this is C. Okay. So if you see, I can convert first of all uh, the whole if I convert this into the 0, right, then what it will be converted into the 1 indirectly ultimately. Okay, so what will be the total count of ones? It will be A plus B plus C, right? Okay. Now initially I have also counted total number of ones of the whole string in one go, right? So it was there also I have counted it. So what I have to do, I have to then just subtract this portion again, right? Because earlier I have counted it. So now the expression becomes A plus C. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say is that counting again the number of ones is futile. Okay, what I can exactly do is to count the adjacent bundles of the zeros, right? If the adjacent bundle of zeros, I will just count, and I will just find the out the summation, and I will choose those adjacent bundles whose summation is maximum. That's here the come of greedy approach. Hope you get. Now let me take a good test case. Okay, so consider this test case. I'm not going to solve the whole, but I am going to make it confirm that you get the idea of adjacent counting adjacent one, taking adjacent zeros. Okay, that logic. So what I am trying to say here is that, so you have already seen, right, through the expression that this taking number of ones again and again is futile. What I can do is that I can simply take this uh, let's say first of all, okay, let's consider it. Okay, so let's say in first go I will convert this one into the 0. So what could be the answer? So the answer could be one initial number of count in one go will be of 1 will be initial number of count of ones in one go in the string will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So initial is 9. Okay, now so number of ones is 9. Now if I convert these three ones into the 0, and again it will be converted to 1, this whole string will be converted to 1 till here. Okay, so the total number of ones will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It will be 8, right? So 8 plus 9 minus 3. So 8 plus 9 minus 3. So 8, how is 8 done? I have let's consider it as A, B, C, D. Okay, so 8 was found by 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. It was 9 or what? 4 5 6 7 8 9. Huh, it was 9. Okay, so this was found by this way, right? So again you can see I am adding one this count initially, and then later on I am subtracting it. Okay, I'm trying to say don't take this. In fact, you can take the adjacent zeros. Okay, uh, let's understand this one. You will get better understanding. Okay. In this, if I take this, so total number of ones in starting is 9. Okay, if I convert this into the 0, then it will be 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 9 plus 6 15 15 minus 1 14. Okay, 14. Now what about this one? If I convert this ones into the 0, then the whole this series will convert it into the 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 plus 6 15 15 minus 1 14. What was the answer here? 9 8 17 minus 3 17 minus 3 14, again 14. Again here also is 14. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Now this cannot be converted because it is not surrounded by 0, so it's 14. Let's change, but it's okay. So what I can do, so answer is 14, right? Anything I can convert. Instead, what I can say, one more way, instead of this complex calculation, what I can do is that simply I have already calculated 9, right? Okay, what I can do, 9 plus, I can calculate the maximum count of zeros, adjacent zeros, right? Like here, 1 2 3 4 5, these are the adjacent bundle of zeros, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, so it's 5. Or what I can do, 1 2 3 4 5, again it is 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, again it is 5. However, the number will be different in different test cases. I will take the maximum one and I will add it with 9, then still it will be 14, as you can see. Okay, so if I summarize this, what I was doing, I was just taking one bundle of, I was taking one bundle of ones, converting to 0, then ultimately converting into the one of the whole series, continuous series of zeros. So that series cover the adjacent bundle of zeros. Okay, so with this I was taking every time adjacent number of bundle of zeros plus ones and comparing the maximum, comparing them to get the maximum one. So I just in greedy approach I just removed that double counting of ones. Okay, hope I make you understand. Let's see this test case. Okay, 1 triple 0 1 double 0, 1 triple 0 1 double 0. Okay, as you can understand this string in the format like 1 and 1 triple 0 1 double 0 then 1, like this. Okay, so which one you can convert, which one digit you can convert? This one can be converted, right? Because it is surrounded by 0. Okay, instead of converting, the approach is such a way that initially count the number of ones. What is that? 1 2 3 4, right? Okay, 4 plus take the adjacent bundle of zeros and find the maximum one. Since the bundle is 2 only, okay, so what I can do, I can just through the procedure what will be, there is only one bundle, right? 1 2 3 4 5, so maximum of 5, or there is nothing, so it will be automatically I will not take the maximum, I will take 4 plus 5 9. Okay, since there is only one pair of adjacent zero bundles. Okay, I hope you get it, my point, what I'm trying to say. Let's again take a test case. Okay, if you not get it, I will try to make you understand this way this time. Hope you let's take a test case of like this 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1, let's convert it 0 2 then 1 1. Okay, so what was the approach initially was, um, what I can do, initially counting number of ones 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, total ones is 1 3 1 4 5 6, right? It is 6. Okay, now I will convert the this one, then second time this one, then third, it cannot be counted. Okay, I will convert this bundle which have only one count of 1. Okay, so if I take option 1, then what will be the answer in that scenario? I'm taking the brute one, okay, not the greedy approach. Okay, so it will be converted to 0. Okay, then how, what it will be like? It will be like 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros. That all 5 zeros will be converted to 1. Then it will become 5 plus 3, 5 plus 6, 9, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus, I have computed twice, so 11 minus 1, 10. Okay, if I select this one, then the activation maximum active session is 10. Okay, if I take the second one, so what it will be like? It will be like so it will be like 0 0 1 0 0. This will be converted to 0, so 0 0 0, then again 0 0 1 1. Okay, now this will be converted, this will be converted to 1, so 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now the total count of 1 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What strange. So it again is 10. I don't know what to say. Now it is again 10. Again the answer will be 10. My all test cases are getting equal. Okay, this is a coincidence, a strange coincidence. So okay, this was the brute one. Now what I in greedy approach, I will just take the adjacent zeros. I will not double count it. I will initially count it all zeros, place it at some variable. Let's say count 1 is equals to, we have already know 6. Okay, now I will not double count this one. Okay, I will just take the adjacent zeros, like the first one will be like this and the second one will be like this. Okay, so the first one is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it is 4, maximum 4 comma, oh that's why the number of zeros are 4 in both the pairs, right? 4, 1 2 3 4, so maximum is 4, so 6 plus 4 10. Okay, hope you get this time. So how can I do this? So as you already know what I was trying to do here initially, first of all I will count the, okay, let me write the steps what you will do. First, what you will do, take count of ones, okay, total count of ones, and store it in some variable. Store it in some variable. Okay, your first step will be like this. Second step, now take array or vector that store bundles of zeros, right? So, like if I talk about the array, how it will store this one, so it will store like this. So first bundle have 2 zeros, right? So 2, then the second bundle have also 2 zeros, so 2, third bundle is also 2 zeros, so 2. Let's say there is like this, 2 bundle, then 1 1 1, then there is bundle of 3 zeros, then 1, then 4 zeros. So this vector will store like this. First bundle have 2 zeros, then second bundle have 3 zeros, then last bundle have 4 zeros, like this. Okay, make sure to store bundle of zeros, okay. Then if you make this and you have the count, then at last return count of 1 plus maximum of adjacent summation of bundles, like 3 plus 2 5, comma 4 plus 3 7. So maximum of 5 comma 7 is 7. So I will return 7, 7 plus count of 1, like this. Okay, so adjacent summation of bundles. Simple, this 3 step, and you will solve the uh, answer. Okay, there will be here and there few test cases that won't be run and that will be tricky, sub corner cases. If you think about it, like 1 comma 0, what about no, there is the number of, let's say, this bundle. Okay, this bundle of zeros, it's 0. There is no any one that is surrounded by 0 both hand side. So what you will do in that case, you will return the count of 1. Okay, so here is the code I have written. As you can see, initially I have taken a variable 0 bundles for storing zeros. There is count of 1 for storing count of a number of total number of ones initially starting. See, what you have to do, you have to somehow calculate the right. If let's say I start from this, then I have to there will be a size limit, right? What is the total what is the total, means what is the total number of ones or total number of zeros is there, right? So start variable, I will put the start variable here only, and there will be the iterator. Once it will be changed, then the difference between the iterator and the start variable will help us to know the total number of count in O of linear time, right? Otherwise I have to do a double loop. So to avoid that, here I am using a start variable to just tell the size, tell the size of the bundles. If there is 2 pointer I and j, then the difference between j and I will help it to know what is the size of the bundle, right? So that's why the starting point denotes the start variable denotes the starting point, and the move I will tell the ending point. Okay, so as you can see, I am iterating over it in on this string. Okay, here I am comparing. Starting is fixed. First of all, starting will be fixed at the starting position, 0th position. Okay, let me see, let me help you to know. Let's say 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, so starting will be initially 0. Okay, I will start from here. I will check whether this one and the starting position element is same or not. If it is not same, then what I will do, I will just count the bundle size. So here the count will be 1. Okay, now what I will do, I will check whether the start is 0 or not. If the element at the start is 0, that means that is the bundle of 0. So what I will do, I will push that into the 0 bundle. If the bundle of 0, if the bundle is of ones, then I will count it into the count 1 variable. Okay, and this is the simple, this whole loop helped me to count the number of bundles, total count of 1, and store the values in 0 bundles array or vector. Okay, so as you can see, I am iterating over it. Okay, let me try run here and here only. 1 double 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, starting point is at 1. Okay, starting point is at 0. Okay, now I is equals to 1. Okay, I is equals to 1, I is equals to 1. Okay, so if string element at ith index and string element at starting index both are same, no, both are not same. So I will maintain here count variable. Okay, so if both are same, then I will do the count. Since they both are not same, so what I will do, I will count it. So count is equals to I, that is 1, minus starting, that is 0. So count is equals to 1 minus 0 is 1. That means the size is 1. I is here and starting is, so size is 1. Okay, so element at its starting index is 0? No, it is not 0. So what I will do, I will just add it into the count variable. That means cnt1, which is here only, I will make it as cnt1 is equals to count, that is 1 plus. Okay, now I is equals to 2. Now what I will do, count is again equals to 0 to count the fresh bundle, and starting is equals to 1. Okay, now I is equals to 2. I is equals to 2, starting is equals to 1. Okay, okay, both are same, right? Element at index 2 and element at index 1 both are same. Okay, both are same, so I will increase the count variable. Now it will become 1. Okay, now I will move at 3. As you can see, count plus plus, count plus plus. Then what I will do, I will move at index. Now I will point at index 3. Again this 3 and the element at starting index is same, so again it will be like 2. Okay, now I am at index 2. Count is equals to 2. Now I am at index 4. 0 1 2 3 4. If I am at index 4, now is element at index 4 and element at starting position, which was 1, is same? No, it's not same, right? So if it is not same, then what I will do, I will find the total count. So the count is what will be the count? The count is equals to I minus start. That means 4 minus starting index is 1, right? So 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, 4 minus 1, 3. Then I will check whether the element at the starting index is 0 or not. So starting index start is equals to 1 was right. So yes, it was 0. So this was 0. So I will just push back into my vector. Let's make it vector. So I will push back count variable, that is 3 here. Okay, now count is again 0. Now again it is 0, right? And start will be equals to ith index, that is 4. Now I is equals to, let's make it I is equals to 5. Now I will be at index 5, right? I will be at index 5. Is the element in index 5 and the starting index both are same? No, it's not same. So again count will be 5 minus 4, 1. So 5 minus 4, 1. Count is equals to 1. Is element at starting position is 0? No, because starting position 0 1 2 3 4, it is 1. Okay, so I will count of this is 1, this one. Okay, so I will add this. Okay, so what is that? 5 minus 4, 1. Count is equals to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now I will iterate at next index, so it will be now 6. Okay, now I am at index 6. That means here. Okay, starting will be now pointing to where? 5th index, right? Okay, now 6. Again it is same, right? So I will just increment the count variable. That means now count is equals to what? 1. Count is equals to 1. Count is equals to 1. Okay, count is equals to 1. Now whole loop is executed since the last one is vacant to store the answer. So when the loop will break, the last one is still there be left to store into the answer. So I will just do count is equals to s dot length minus start. So start was at index where fifth index, right? Yes, start at 0 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, start is at fifth index. So the total length was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 minus 5 2. So the count is 2 now. Okay, this the count is 2 now. It is overwritten. Count is 2 now. If s of starting is 0, s of starting is 0, yes it is 0. So I will push back into it. So it will be 2. Okay. This 2. Now it is not 1, so I will not count it into the count 1 variable. I will not add it. I will simply push back. So the vector is like this. As you can see, 3 0 and 2 0, and there are 2 1s, right? 1 1 2. Alright, now done. Now what I will do, simple. Now I will iterate over this. As you can see, if if the bundle is less than 2, that means if there is one, only one bundle of zeros, that doesn't mean anything, right? Simply what you will do, you will return count of 1, definitely. Okay, if there is let's say 1 and there is no bundle of zeros, only one bundle of 0, let's say this. So how you will convert, because the string format is like this, right? Let's say string is this, and what you can imagine like this, right? There is no any one to convert into the 0, right? Can you see any one which is surrounded both side by 0? No. So what you will do, definitely you will return 3, because there is no one to convert to 0, then that will ultimately convert to 1. So I don't think so there is any need to trade. So simply will return count of 1. But here, as you can see, the vector is 3 comma 2, and the count of 1 is 2. So what I will do, int max count, I am just finding out the maximum. Since only there is 2 pairs, simply the maximum count will be 3 2 5. So the maximum count will be this maximum count will be, here will be 5, and the count of 1 is 2, this is 7. Okay, so hope you get the answer, hope you understand.